no! What happened to you? Don't worry, I'm here. Come on, let's go to the doctor. Don't be scared, it won't hurt.
That's it. Just give her a nice bath at home, and she'll be fine.
From now on, you'll live here with me, my little kitten. And now, it's our bath. Have you chosen a name for my kitten? Write it in the comments. Our adventures are just beginning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Friends, can you guess where I am? Yes! It's my day off today. Woohoo! Look at us! We're flying! Meow, meow! This is the East ride ever. Would you ride this with me? Kids! Don't eat too much ice cream, or you'll get sick like me. Oh no! I'm late for school. I'll be back soon. Oh no! My bag! Subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. A kitten!
Where did it come from?
It's so fluffy!
So it was YOU who scared us?
Such a naughty little kitty, Nola. Sleep softly.